But first, there is a new development in the killing of a victim services counselor from the Kyle Police Department. KXAN has learned DNA from Samantha Dean's unborn child went to a lab at the University of North Texas for testing. KXAN investigator Robert Maxwell is here to share what he has learned. Robert?
Well, Shannon, Bastrop County Sheriff Terry Pickering confirms, quote, the fetus was taken to the University of North Texas. He says it is nationally recognized for their work in forensic DNA analysis. Now, we checked, and UNT has a Center for Human Identification. Its scientists can test DNA to determine who an unborn child's parents are. A month ago yesterday, Dean's body was found at a shopping center in Bastrop County. She had been shot in the head multiple times. An Austin police officer was put on restricted leave in connection with the investigation. His lawyer says the officer was seeing Dean socially but had nothing to do with her death. So far, there have been no arrests. Now, we've also confirmed from the local justice of the peace in Bastrop County a sample of the DNA from the fetus was indeed sent off. She is still waiting for results on that. And my colleague Kevin Schwaller is also working this story for KXAN News tonight at 10. He'll be looking into what else the Center for Human Identification is known for. I'm Robert Maxwell. KXAN investigates.
And authorities also relied on the University of North Texas to close another high-profile case from our area. In November, Austin police and the U.S. Marshals announced a dangerous fugitive was confirmed dead. Kevin Stosser was a convicted sex offender who escaped from the Austin Transitional Center in 2013. Authorities say a dog discovered a skull near that center in September of last year. They decided to send the skull to the University of North Texas because the medical examiner couldn't make a match from dental records. They also told us the Human Identification Laboratory at the university has a database of DNA samples dating back to 2003. Their findings helped the medical examiner make that final conclusion in that case.